In today's video, we're going to make our own shower and bath lotion bars and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. These lotion bars not only contain powerful moisturizing benefits, but you use them in the shower or bath, making them a convenient and time-saving way to keep your skin soft and supple. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 double boiler, 12 bar molds. I like to use silicone for easy removal. 2 cups of shea butter. Shea butter is a deep moisturizer and supports against inflammation. 2 cups of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer. It absorbs quickly, is antifungal, and supports the reduction of wrinkles. It can also help soothe skin ailments such as eczema and psoriasis. 2 cups of beeswax. Beeswax is a moisturizer and has antibacterial properties. It also supports inflammation reduction. Essential oils I like to use is geranium, lemongrass, and copaiba. Geranium supports hormone balances, circulation, cell growth, wrinkle, and inflammation reduction. It can relieve stress and anxiety and support mental function. It's antibacterial and a natural deodorant. Lemongrass is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It possesses antiseptic and antioxidant properties. It supports stress and inflammation reduction and also promotes blood circulation. Copaiba promotes the tightening of pores and is antibacterial. It supports skin regeneration, inflammation reduction, and mood enhancement. Combine 2 cups of shea butter, 2 cups of coconut oil, and 2 cups of beeswax in a double boiler. Stir the ingredients constantly until they are melted and smooth. Remove from heat and let cool a little bit. Next, add 20 drops of geranium, 20 drops of lemongrass, and 20 drops of copaiba essential oils. Gently stir by hand until essential oils are fully incorporated into the mixture. Finally, carefully pour into molds of choice. Allow the lotion bars to cool completely before attempting to take out of molds. You can let air dry or place in your fridge for quicker results. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store your bars in a cool and dry place. Use within 6 months for best moisturizing and scent benefits. This recipe makes 12 lotion bars. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.